I click it is kule ya AFCON yasebenzela but kulama games esiwabona manje kuba nzima Shane because uyaya unokuluza amabhola banokwa intercept amabhola waphasayo yes no Tebza ngabonile ba interceptor 1-2 yamabhola la khona phasa khona but uyakwazi uTebza kuhamba yolidemanda uyabuya futhi mangaba bamba ibhola uyaprogressa angene kuma attack space as a midfield abheke ukuthi kuphi la ngiyodlala khona but uyaya always angazi ukuthi usuka uthukile okanjani angazi Shane so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukufika kwa Obas wenze i-decision right ucoach Hugo Bros mongambheka ukhipha kudonsa uyaya ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye lento le uyibonile ukuthi uyaya kasinikeza inix waletha umdlalo ofana noObas he played very well Shane today uObas mongambheka de wafika khona bafike baclicka noTebza bakwazi nalo kusupportana and beka nawo ama forward pass bekakwazi because bebasinikeza space second half because second half akusile Zimbabwe siyibonile edlala first half so I don't know ukuthi what's wrong ha Zimbabwe but ngiyasho ukuthi uObas naye as ngimrate the way angene wadlala ngakhona udlale right and nesaphi yakaNkotho bonile le shot isinikeze something